guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel or stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I will be your host for today's adventure. Today we're doing a room review of the Mirage room 19109. So let's take a look inside the room. So I got to Vegas Friday night. It was a little bit late. Today is Saturday. It's in the evening, but I have to fly out tomorrow morning. I got an early flight out. It's about 5 o'clock in the morning. This room has some quirks, but I'll kind of go through that here in a minute as we kind of go through. I did get a strip view room, but it wasn't quite to what I was expecting to get here at the Mirage. Now over to the right will be kind of your standard map here that you would use in the event of a fire or anything like that. So the red dot indicates where you're at on the map and where to go in case of a fire. But anyways, we will kind of take a look at the rest of the room here. Over to the left, there is this nice full-length mirror, so you can check yourself out if you're going out to the casino or out to a nice restaurant for the evening. Now, I'll pan over through the room, and then we'll kind of check out the entrance here. We'll kind of go over the closet a little bit, and you know, just like every Las Vegas room, they always put the safe in the closet. The safe here really sucked, so let me show you guys. So the safe is over to the right. This thing really sucked because this thing only had like 4 inches wide at the bottom, so you really couldn't put anything in there. Over to the left we have the ironing board and iron, which is pretty standard in Vegas, as well as your luggage rack for any bags or anything like that. The closet size is pretty standard at what you would expect in Las Vegas. Nothing too out of the ordinary here, but the safe was a big downfall. I have a lot of camera equipment. I don't want it to get stolen, and I couldn't really use the safe. Now over here we have the bathroom. I really like the light that they put into the mirror. I think it looks really well. I think that the bathroom is alright, a little small by my liking. I usually like a little bit bigger bathroom. In my opinion, I thought that the Excalibur had a bigger bathroom than here at the Mirage, but it's not that big of a deal. You don't spend a whole lot of time in here anyway. But this is what you can get ready in the morning with. Over to the left here you have this nice picture and the commode at the bottom, which really doesn't make sense because you can't look at the picture anyway because it's behind you. Over to the left is the shower. I'll kind of show you that here in a second, but not really anything too exciting, so no reason to close the door and look at the curtains. Pretty standard shower, just a light over there. Normal at what you would expect with any Las Vegas hotel and casino. Now, I like the desk over to the left. It provided some space for some camera equipment and things like that, and a good place to charge. Over here, you'll see this nice little mini bar that they have prepared. Now, they come fully stocked with snacks, drinks, water, beer, hard liquor, whatever you want. But be careful because anything that you take, they will charge you for. Now they have this adjoining room, so if you were in the room review for Excalibur, me and my mom had the adjoining room. The name brand TV is great. I love having, you know, Samsung TV to look at. It's always nice to have name brand things. Over here is an awesome desk, so if you notice that nice office chair, never even used it. I sat on the recliner and looked out at the strip. And then the charging cables over in the wall were a good idea, but none of the USB ports worked, so that kind of sucked, but the power did work, so I didn't have any issues with that. I have been having some issues with this gimbal for this shoot. I didn't have any filming during the day, so this is kind of uncanny timing for that gimbal kind of malfunctioning. So as you can see, Saturday night, 11:07, I need to get to bed because I have a flight getting up here early in the morning. But as you can see with the headboard here, there's some rips in the leather. I thought that Mirage should have taken care of that and should have fixed that, but that wasn't done. You know, as with everybody, nobody really gives a shit about the room review. They really don't. Most people just care about the view. So let me adjust this camera. We'll take a look outside the windows and give you guys kind of a quick look out here of the Las Vegas Strip. So let me open up these blinds and we'll take a look. As you can see, it has a pretty good view. It's not great, but there is a reflection. Let me shut off some of these lights. Let me shut off this TV. so we can see what this place looks like when it's all dark in here. Let me get these lights here. I got one on the other side of the bed that I have to get here. Let me shut off the TV. Then I'll get this light on the other side of the bed. I got a light in the entryway, a lamp, and one in the bathroom here, so bear with me one moment. We'll be looking out the window here with no lights, and this is what I kind of had a problem with, and you guys will see it here in a moment, so let me show you. So this is with the lights completely off. As you can see, there's a lot of light coming into the hotel room because of the lights underneath kind of faced towards the windows and kind of blinded it out. So normally if you shut the window shades, you can't see the reflection of the room, but this wasn't quite the case. When I had the window shade shut, it actually made the camera worse. Here's the view of Las Vegas Boulevard. When you zoom in with the dirt and everything like that and the lights, it kind of screws up the focus, so bear with me, I do apologize. It looks a heck of a lot better when you zoom out, but you know, I was kind of hoping I could get some decent shots of the Strip with this Note 9 and the Osmo Mobile 2, but that didn't seem to be the case. So anyway, that's the view of the Strip here. I'll kind of show you the rest of it here. I'll pan over to the right. Right there is Caesars, so the Forum Shop and Caesars straight ahead. And then directly over to the right here is the parking garage for Caesars and the Forums. And then off in the background, if you can see the pink and the purple, that's your Rio. And down below from the Rio here is Interstate 15. So I'll kind of zoom in here for that and show you exactly where I-15 is. So right down there where all that fast moving traffic is, that's Interstate 15. You're going to want to get yourself acquainted with that. It's a great way to get downtown in a reasonable amount of time, and a good way to get down to South Point and the M Resort on the very south. I think it's on St. Rose Parkway or something like that. But anyway, guys, I think that will kind of do it here for the room review at the Mirage. As always, my name is Ryan. Until next time.